चलिए, fine. So, going to Zainab. Zainab, any doubts you have?
No, sir.
Okay. So, have you finished all the topics which I have given to you yesterday?
Yes, sir. I devised.
Okay. And are you going through the UPSC's previous year questions to get an idea how the questions are framed by the UPSC?
Yes, sir. I'm going through them.
Okay, fine, no problem. Yes, Manish, you have raised hand. If you have any doubts, you can ask me.
Yes, sir. So, which constitutional amendments are needed, important to study?
I have given you the link of the important constitutional amendments in the study plan. Let me share it with you. 1 second. In the study plan which I've given you in that study plan topic, I have given you the list of important amendments. Right. So I guess that is not for today's plan. Just let me check it out.
Amendments and Supreme Court judgments.
Yeah, Supreme Court judgments. I don't think that Supreme Court judgments are being asked in last 4 or 5 years. But yes, Supreme Court judgments are being asked in the mains exam, not in the prelims exam now. But anyone, if you want, what you can say, know the important Supreme Court judgment that have been given in the link which I've given to you. That is on Jagron News. They have given some important, what you can say, the important judgments. So I guess this topic is I have kept in the last day for the last day. So can you go to the last day's topics? Yeah, on 24th of July, I have given you that key Panchayati Raj institutions, list of important articles, emergency, Indian Constitution, schedules of constitutions, schedules of scheduled and tribal areas. Right? It is not there. Okay, so I have forgot. Maybe I have forgot to give you the list of important amendments. Okay, no problem. I will share it to you with you, Manish, the list of important amendments. But if you want, I can tell you orally also that important amendments are like 42 amendment, 44th amendment, then 52nd amendment, 86th amendment, then 92nd amendment, 97th amendment, then 100th amendment, and 101 amendment. So these are the important amendments which you need to go through. But I will also give you the link of the important amendments also. So let me check it out in the amendment topic, whether it is they are I guess it must be there. Just let me check it out. Can you see the screen now? Can you see the Jagron Joyce website?
Sir.
Visible?
Yes, yes, we can see the screen.
Okay, fine.
Not yet, sir.
Not
No,
yet,
sir.
It is loading. It is loading. Wait. Yeah. Can you see this? The Jagron Joyce website. So in amendment, first, what is the requirement of the amendment?
No, sir.
You can't see the screen now?
No,
No.
sir. No.
1 second.
No, sir.
1 second. Okay. So when you click on the link which I've given to you in the study plan, you will be redirected to this, what you can say, the page of Jagron Josh, where amendment procedure is mentioned. So what is amendment? What is the procedure of the amendment? What are the requirements of the amendment? And how the amendment can be passed in the parliament? That is all what you can say explained here. So I guess they must have given also the list of the important amendment also. 1 second. Yeah. Procedure of the amendment is also been given here separately. It is not. Check it. Fine. So shall we go for a few more questions of the UPSC from the previous year, like maybe 2017 or 2016 questions, to get in some idea, because every day I feel you should at least like analyze like 4-5 questions to get an idea that how in particularly polity, how the questions are being framed. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Like we will discuss like
Okay.
yeah, we will discuss few more questions today. I hope you are also going through, but again, like what is my analysis, like what is my way of finding out the answer of the question, that would be more you can say useful for you in the exam hall. Fine. Okay, so 2019 questions we have already discussed. Okay, any questions which you have come across and you are not able to find out the answer, or if there is any doubt, you can ask me.
So reservations in jobs and educational institutions can exceed 50% of the total seats.
As per the Supreme Court judgment, it cannot exceed than the 50% as per the Supreme Court judgment. But again, we know that Supreme Court judgments are, what I can say, liable to review, and they can review their own judgment, they can change their own judgment. And since the reservation is not a fundamental right and it is not a constitutional provision.
Today, as of today, this is correct or not? Because in it is clearly given like it cannot exceed 50%, but there are constitutional amendments which are like overturned. I think what 82nd constitutional, 87th. I don't remember.
Depends upon the way the question is framed in the question is framed. So if the statement is framed, if the statement says that as per the judgment of the Supreme Court of India, it cannot exceed more than 50%, then it is correct. But some of the high courts, like Tamil Nadu High Court and some of the high courts in Telangana, they have, what you can say, constitutionally validated the what you can say the reservation, like in Maharashtra also, that the reservation have been exceeded than the 50%. So of course that has been challenged into the court, that has been, what you can say, being reviewed by the Supreme Court. But I don't think UPSC might ask you a question on this particular topic, because these are the changing topics. There are, what you can say, the dynamic parts. So I think UPSC may not ask you on this particular aspect whether it can be exceeded than 50% or not, because it is not there in the constitution. And whatever the questions UPSC asks, maximum they focus that the questions are asked from the provisions of the Constitution of India, right? So okay, one more problem I am facing here now, because there is no electricity today in our area, and I have left with only 8% of my battery. So probably within 4 minutes my laptop will get shut down. So I will not be able to like discuss few questions. But if you have any doubts, you can ask me till like around 4 to 5 minutes are left with me. You can ask me till my battery is, what you can say, drawn. And yes, probably afternoon class also may not be able to, what you can say, possible for me, because the light, we got a message that the light will, the electricity will not be available till 5 o'clock. Fine. So
sir,
okay. Yes
सर
हाँ बोलिए.
आज का टास्क डिस्कस करते हैं सर.
चलेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. हाँ, today's task. Okay, sorry, I forgot to discuss the today's task. Okay, can you see the screen? Is it visible? Can you see the screen, or shall I?
No,
sir.
sir.
1 second, I have to do it fast. Okay, fine. So today is 23rd, right? Sorry, 22nd. So today's topics are, yeah, one is Prime Minister of India.
मुस्तफा, आपका पूछो सर को जो तुम मुझे बोल रहे थे अभी डाउट.
हाँ हाँ पूछता.